Right now the plant is smiling right now. The plant is happy. You know why? It rained for a couple days and then here I come softening the dirt. If you ain't soften the dirt for them, when after the rain, the dirt gonna become very clammy. You see like how this hard here? That's how the dirt's gonna be. So now when the sun hit this, it's gonna get hard, and then now it's gonna get harder for the plant to push their root through. So you're gonna back the plant from growing. So you have to soften the root for the plant. Look how beautiful they're looking. You see now? They're naturally smiling. So let me soften up this one, and that's gonna be it. You see how around it look clammy because it rains, and if the sun only hit this now, it's gonna become like rock, hard and tough, and then the plant now is gonna be difficult for the plant to produce. So the key is always soften the dirt around your plant, and they will produce a lot for you. This whole row over here, I'm trying to do all this today because I don't know, I mightn't come back in the garden for a few days. So if it's rain again, or if the sun comes out, which is not gonna be that hot, but if the sun comes out and dry out the dirt, you see all this dry bush, this is real manure. You see what I'm doing? I'm covering them around the plant. You see? Look how nice it's looking now, right? It's smiling right at this moment. This other one again. I have to soften up the roots. I'm using my hands. Love to connect with my plants. We're talking about nature here. The plants have cells. We have cells. So we all connected. Some people love using the gloves and their whatever. I love using my hands because I believe the plants connect with you and they grow, produce more for you. So I'm just softening up the root for them. That, see how that looking there? So now I got to come and soften the root. Looking lovely right there. Yeah, so within a few weeks, all these vegetables are gonna looking real nice and big and healthy. Yeah. Some people plant, and I'm gonna tell you this. Some people plant vegetables, flowers, whatever it is, and don't care what they do, the plant will never grow. The plant will never grow, don't care what they do. They think they're doing something wrong. Some people say you have bad hands. Some people say you don't know what you're doing. But I'm gonna tell you, you cannot come in your garden with an evil mind. You cannot, the garden is where you come for your peace of mind. So if the garden is where you come for a peace of mind, you cannot bring that baggage, that evil, wicked thoughts you have inside you around these plants. Because the energy you bring in is killing the plants. And the plant is not going to produce because you bring such a negative energy up inside your garden. So it's not about just taking care of them. You also need to bring positive energy around them. Okay? You also need to bring positive energy around your plant. Okay? So guys, I already softened up all my vegetables, everything I softened up, everything. You see how them cabbage looking nice? Yeah, them cabbage looking nice. All my vegetables go right back over. I already softened up. Okay, so I think I did enough. I think I did enough for them. The earth is wet, so I ain't got to worry about the water. What I'm worried about was getting here and soften the dirt around their root. Because the more you soften the dirt, is the more they're gonna produce for you. So I love to take time and in my garden because I expect to eat. So this is a broccoli. I'm gonna pick this broccoli. Yeah, this is for my dinner today. What? Look this broccoli. Look how much small one it's. I don't know if you guys seeing, but look how much small one it's still pushing out, coming up here. Yeah, this is another one here. You seeing? Okay. Guys, that's two right there. I'm gonna pick this one too. That's three, because you want to pick them before they start seeding. Okay, you don't want to leave them too late, because if you leave them too late, they're gonna turn seed, and then that's not what you want. I also have two cabbage, so I have a broccoli, 3 broccoli and 2 cabbage. In the winter, guys, in the winter. Oh, you know what? I have some broccoli here to plant. Yeah, so I'm gonna plant them now. It's getting dark, but whatever, guys. I need to get them in the earth. Oh, guys, I didn't show you all my my onions. I now plant these onions over here. These are my onions. I now plant them. Looking fresh and nice. These are my lettuce. This is my first time planting lettuce through the winter. And I realized they stand up. So now, guess what? I will be planting lettuce all through the year. Yes. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share.